What's up, guys? Tommy here from Green Rhino. Welcome to another one. Fun filled, exciting carpet cleaning video. Some people like this stuff, you know. And if you're building your business, I bet you love this stuff. And today we're going to be talking a little bit about synthetic artificial color removal. Artificial color removal, such as this. What's up, guys? Before the video starts, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking it. And if you haven't did that yet, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below in the description, as well as the tools I love and use. So now you know. Stay tuned. So we're cleaning the house, right? We got it's upstairs, downstairs. Not too bad. Stairs are probably the worst of it, and a couple, and down here, as you can see, we're using carpet details for it. But as I walked into the inspection, I did notice some, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a blue area there. Right there. Yeah, that's definitely some artificial coloring. And what I did is I called the customer and I let her know that everything as far as the quote over the phone, all looks good except for this spot, and that takes a special process to get rid of it. And I did make sure I let her know that even though we're going to do this process, I can't guarantee it's going to be removed because I don't know what it's been treated with, how long it's been there, you know, the history of the stand itself. But if they don't get rid of this and they're trying to get their deposit back, it could be a serious problem. So what I do is I charge an area like this about $40. Well, $40 is what I charge. All right. And this is the new little machine I use. I usually use this Wagner wallpaper removal. It's only about, I don't know, $30 or something. This thing right here is about $200. But you know what's so great about this is it only takes 60 seconds to warm up. With the Wagner wallpaper remover, which is, you know, clunky and this and that, it takes like 15 minutes to warm up. So it's pretty awesome investment here. I got this from Optimum Floor Care, yeah, they got some Namco products. They also have the Namco floor machine that I got, but this one right here was, I couldn't wait to get this. He told me he had this, and I'm like, I'm on it. So with this, you fill it up, and then you plug it in, turn it on, about 60 seconds, and you're ready to go. So what you want to do, I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. I probably should have more water in there right now, but this may do it. So let's just do this live in action. Okay, so this is red wine. This is for artificial staining, artificial color staining. Synthetic, man-made. So it's usually like a ammonia type product that can take care of this. This is especially for this. So what I do, just put it on spray, not spray, mist mode. Hit that whole area. Kind of agitate it in a little bit with your foot or whatever you have. Scrub brush or whatever, but just make sure it gets all the fiber wet. So we're going to do this now, and then once we get to this room, we'll just go ahead with our regular clean method and rinse it all out. So it's probably been about 60 seconds, and you can see it's already steaming. So all you do is they recommend you can put a moist white towel underneath these things, but you really don't need them. You really don't need that. Make sure you get a little bit of ventilation here, because this stuff right there is kind of potent. So you let it do its thing for, I don't know, a minute or two, or whatever you need, but try it out a minute or two, and then move it over. And then if it doesn't look like it's all gone, go ahead and spray it again and steam it again. Looks like it's working because I don't see any blue hue. So that's good. So this is something whenever you're doing your inspection, as you walk into the job, just look around, see if you see any color. If it's paint, that's different. Okay, so use a paint remover, POG. And if it's excessive, charge for it also. If it's just a spot here and there, I do that for free. There is a couple spots in here, so I'll probably see that there. Hit that for free. So that's the name of it, the Natco's Iron Steamer. You know, Anthony over there at Optimal Floor Care is really super knowledgeable about portable carpet cleaners. They actually build their own, and they put that against the best portables out there in the market. They'll put it up against anything out there, and they say that it just kicks their butt. So as far as your budget and all that stuff, if you're getting into the carpet cleaning business, he's the guy to talk to get you the best bang for the buck. You know, first figure out what method you want to do, whether it's going to be hot water extraction or VLM, then give him a call. I do recommend, if you're getting into hot water extraction and you want to start doing tile and stuff like that, you don't have a big budget, those electronic truck mounts, man, I'm telling you. And he has a portable that's got like 800 to 1200 psi, so you can clean tile with it, and you can leave it out in your truck, in the van, just like a regular truck mount, you know, for a fraction of the cost. So think about that too. So that's why you want to charge for this. You can actually leave this on the carpet and walk away, and it'll just run out of water. It's not going to burn your carpet or anything like it. Ironwood, using an iron and a cloth, it's the old school way of doing it. You gotta be careful because you melt those fibers, and if you damage something, you gotta pay for it. So it looks like the blue's gone. So that's it. Short, brief, to the point. New toy. There's not a lot of them out there. And if you're gonna get this, don't act like they're piled up on the shelf, because they go as quick as he gets them. So give him a call. Get on his website, then give him a call. Make sure it's in stock and everything, how quick they can get it to you. So I'm just sharing the tools I use, and this happens to be one I love. All right, see you in the next one.